Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to find a clipboard on your Android phone. To access your clipboard, follow these steps. First, open any app where you can type, like messages or notes. Now tap on the text input field to bring up your keyboard. On most Android keyboards like Gboard or Samsung keyboard, you'll see a clipboard icon on the toolbar above the keyboard. If you don't see it, tap on the three dots to access more options, then select Clipboard. Once you've tapped on it, you'll be able to view all of the items you've copied recently. Just tap on the clipboard and you'll be able to see it all. And that's it! Now you know how to find and use your clipboard on Android. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Tricks tutorial for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!